Just got back from the gym. We had a 1,300 calorie burn today. We did some rack pulls. We worked up to a 415 pound top set transition to deadlifts, and we worked up to, we did 4 sets, 315 for speed. Then we did 500 pound leg press, sets of 10. We worked the so today we actually worked the upper traps, mid traps, and the rhomboids. We had 300 pound lat pull seated neutral grip. We did that for 2 sets of 6, and then we did a 240 pound finisher for a set of 10. And now I'm about to eat. I'm gonna get some BCAAs, amino acids in me right here. Okay. And then we're gonna eat a nice turkey casserole from yesterday. You see right there. All right, that's 3 pounds of turkey. 3 pounds of turkey meat. We got some elbow noodles, some cream cheese, some Kobe Jack cheese, some regular cheddar cheese. Each one of those is 430 calories and roughly 31 grams of protein. And of course, that is an estimate, okay? But the calories, it's not more than 500 because we cut it into 12 pieces. I weighed everything out, and then I bounced it off of AI so that I could get a more accurate count of the calories or whatnot. And that's where we are. So at least 883, at most 1,000 calories. Okay. And that's about 80 grams of carbohydrates. I need to get my glycogen back up. Tomorrow we'll hit lats some more, do some T-bar rows. We're not going to incorporate a bench. I've already benched this week heavy, so I'm not going to go back. At the end of the day, I am still 51 years old, and I have to keep mindful of that. So any 51-year-old followers, don't think you can't go in the gym. You just still have to be aware. You have to know your body. I've always been an athlete. I went through a bout of depression, but I've always been an athlete. So my muscles aren't focused on the depression part. My muscles remember what they were. So that's where you are. But you have to remember you are 51. If you're 51 and you're watching this video, remember you're 51. Everything on you is 51 years old. Your eyes, your joints, your knees, your teeth. For those of you who still have your teeth, unlike myself. All right. But yeah.